Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to react to a message in WhatsApp on your PC. Sometimes a simple reply is not enough, and you want to express your emotions more effectively. With WhatsApp's reaction feature, you can do just that. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account and have access to your chats. Step 2. Go to chat. Next, navigate to the chat where the message you want to react to is located. You can find your chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Step 3. Right-click the desired message. Once you've located the message, right-click on it. This will bring up a menu of options. Step 4. Choose the reaction you want. From the menu, choose the reaction you want to use. WhatsApp offers a range of reactions such as thumbs up, thumbs down, laughter, love, and more. Simply click on the reaction icon and it will be added to the message. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily react to a message in WhatsApp on your PC. Express your emotions and engage with your contacts in a more interactive way. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Until next time, happy messaging.